Now you can install your fan in just a few minutes with simple twists and clicks. The twist and click technology makes ceiling fan installation easier than ever. The tool-free, pre-assembled fan with twist and click technology comes ready to install with everything you need. No tools required. The fan is available in multiple finishes with 5 reversible finish blades. A pre-assembled motor housing unit, 5 patented twist and click blade arms, pre-assembled bowl light kit, 3 bulbs, patented C-clips, and pull chain extensions are all included and ready to go right out of the box. You're ready to follow these simple steps for a quick and easy do-it-yourself installation, complete in minutes. Install the ball into the hanging bracket. Make sure the fan is secured to the mounting bracket by aligning the slot in the hanging ball at the top of the down rod with the tab in the mounting bracket. You can easily wire the fan with the convenient Quick Connect wire clips. No need for traditional wire connectors or electrical expertise. Now that the fan is securely attached, the magnetic canopy will easily lock into place, eliminating the need for screws. The blades attach quickly by hand. Align the blade screw posts to each blade using the same finish side of each blade. Fasten using the patented C-clips instead of screws. Twist and click blade arms lets you effortlessly connect the blades to the fan, insert and turn clockwise to secure. The light kit fitter is also pre-attached to the fan. The fan can be used with or without the light kit. To install the light kit glass, simply remove the finial and its associated parts from the bottom of the fitter to expose the threaded rod. Align center hole in the glass shade with a threaded rod and string pull chains through the corresponding holes. Reattach the finial plate to the threaded rod, making sure the pull chains continue through the finial plate. With the light kit in place, attach the pull chain extensions. To easily set your ceiling fan to the desired speed setting, pull the chain to one of the 3 speed positions. A reverse switch just above the light kit allows you to improve your fan's energy use. For warmer weather, make sure the switch is in the down position and up for cooler months. With twist and click technology, installation of your ceiling fan is completed in no time. So make your next ceiling fan installation an easy one with no screws and tool-free assembly. The twist and click technology ceiling fan. Installation in just a few twists and clicks.